The money hits the account, $5,000. And it just sits there in one account doing one job waiting to be spent. Most people never move past this step. When everything lives in one account, nothing has a purpose. Spending, saving, and investing all compete for the same money. The one with the most urgency always wins. That is, always spending. 3 accounts, 3 jobs, 1 for monthly operations, 1 for emergencies and goals, 1 for building long-term wealth. Every dollar knows exactly where it goes the moment it arrives. 3 specifically because separation prevents spending saved money accidentally. Each account earns the right return for its purpose, and 3 is simple enough to actually maintain. Complexity kills financial systems. The order is not optional. Payday arrives. Investment and savings transfer out first automatically before anything else touches the money. The remainder stays in checking for expenses. This sequence is everything. Account 1 checking. This is the operations account. It pays fixed bills, covers variable spending, and processes daily transactions. This account is not where money grows. It is where money moves. The checking account handles 2 things: fixed auto payments leaving automatically and variable daily spending. That is it. By the time spending begins, the investment and savings money is already gone. Calculate your monthly fixed and variable expenses. Add a $500 to $1,000 buffer. That total is your checking target balance. Anything above that earns 0.01% sitting in checking. It should be in account 2, earning 4 to 5%. Checking account criteria: 0 monthly fee, 0 minimum balance, reliable ATM access, and a working mobile app. This account earns nothing, so it should cost nothing. Any fee on a checking account is money leaving for no reason. James sets all fixed bills to auto-pay from checking. Rent, insurance, utilities, they handle themselves. He never decides whether to pay them, they simply happen. Account 2 high-yield savings. This account does 2 things. It holds your emergency fund and it holds your savings goals. And in 2026, it earns 4.5 to 5% annually while it waits. Account 2 holds 2 things. The emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses, untouched unless a genuine emergency hits. And sinking funds named savings buckets for predictable future expenses. All of it earning interest every single day. How much goes to account 2 on payday? Your monthly emergency fund contribution until it is fully funded, then your sinking fund contributions for all predictable future expenses. For James, $583 a month transfers automatically to account 2. The emergency fund comes before full investing. Without it, every car repair and medical copay goes on a credit card at 21%. The emergency fund protects account 3 from being raided. It is the foundation everything else rests on. FDIC insured. Minimum 4.5% APY. No minimum balance for the rate. Easy transfer back to checking. And critically, use a different bank than your checking. The slight friction of transferring makes you think twice before raiding the emergency fund. Standard savings, $9 earned over 3 years on $10,000. High yield savings, $1,520 on the same $10,000. Same FDIC insurance. Same instant access. $1,511 more, simply from choosing the right account. Organize sinking funds as named buckets inside. Account 2. Car repair, holiday, travel, home maintenance, each one growing monthly. When the car repair arrives, the money is already there. The surprise is gone. James at month 6. Emergency fund, $3,200 and growing. Sinking funds, $2,298 across all categories. The anxiety about unexpected expenses has dropped to near zero. The system is doing the work. Account 3, the investment account. This account does not just hold money. It grows money. Compoundingly, permanently. And the earlier money arrives here, the more time it has to work. Inside account 3, a priority sequence. Employer match first, 100% guaranteed return. Roth IRA, second tax-free growth forever. Additional 401k third. Taxable brokerage fourth. Follow the sequence. Every level serves a distinct tax purpose. Traditional 401k contribute pre-tax, pay taxes on withdrawal. Roth IRA contribute after tax, never pay taxes on the growth again. If you expect to be in a higher tax bracket in retirement, the Roth wins. Most young earners should prioritize it. Minimum capture the full employer match. Target 15 to 20% of gross income 2. Account 3. Total. Aggressive. 20 to 30% if you are behind. The minimum most advisors agree on 15% of gross income consistently, started as early as possible. James puts $150 into his 401k to capture the full employer match, immediately doubling that contribution. $625 into his Roth IRA. Total $775 a month. 2. Account 3. It leaves on payday. He never decides whether to invest. It simply happens. Inside account 3, keep it simple. VTI, VOO, or a target date fund. Set it to auto-invest every month. Never change based on market news. The fund matters far less than the consistency of the contribution. Payday arrives. $775 to account 3, automatically. $583 to account 2, automatically. $3,000. $642 stays in account 1 for the month. The entire distribution happens before James makes a single spending decision. James's complete distribution. Account 3, $775. Account 2, $583. Fixed expenses, $2,500. Variable spending, $642. Freedom money, $500. Total $5,000. Every dollar has a job before the month begins. The full setup takes 1 hour. Open the high-yield savings. Confirm 401k enrollment. Open the Roth IRA. Set both auto transfers to fire on payday. Done. Review once a year. Everything else runs automatically. When a raise arrives, increase account 3 contribution by at least half the raise amount immediately, before the lifestyle adjusts. The lifestyle gets what is left, not the other way around. 3 mistakes that break the system. Keeping too much in checking at 0.01%. Skipping investment to oversave at 4.5%. And touching the savings account for things that are not emergencies. All 3 are common. All 3 are avoidable. Cannot hit all 3 targets yet? The order still matters. Capture the employer match, even $50 a month. Start the emergency fund, even $100 a month. Scale both up with every raise. The structure is what changes behavior, not the amounts. James, at month 12. Investment account over $10,000. High yield savings, nearly $9,000. Checking operating smoothly. Total real financial progress. In 1 year, $19,046. Same paycheck. 3 accounts. Completely different outcome. The entire system in 1 sentence. Investments and savings leave on payday before spending begins in separate accounts automatically every single month. The complete reference. 3 accounts, 3 jobs, 1 sequence. Screenshot this and set the system up this week. Subscribe to Wealth Construct. Share this with someone whose money all lives in 1 account. The setup takes 1 hour and changes everything after that. How many accounts are you currently using? 1, 2, or 3? Drop it below. If it is 1, this video was for you. New videos every week. The real math, always. I'm Professor Alex. This is Wealth Construct. Wealth Construct. The real math, always.